Hello, this could be my shortest video ever because I'm going to show you how easy it is to disable notifications in Beaver Builder. And as I'm recording this, Beaver Builder version 2.1, also called Redbridge, has just been released, and this adds this notification bell icon to the page builder. I know some people would like to be able to remove this, and the Beaver Builder team have provided a filter, and here I've provided the full snippet that you'll need. I'm just going to copy this so I can show you in action. But as you can see from the screenshot here on this page, all you need to do is to add it to your child themes functions PHP file. So you didn't really need a video for this, but it is a handy way of me being able to reach people. And I will provide the link to this page below the video as well. So let me just show you this in action. So on this site, I have the bell. There we are. I'll just close that. And if I want to remove it, I'll go to the dashboard for this site. I'll go to Appearance, to the editor, and this will, when it loads, default to the child theme and the styles.css file. So just make sure that you are in the right place. We need to go to the child themes functions PHP file. And when that's loaded, I can add my snippet. And you can add this wherever you like it, it doesn't matter. I'm going to update the file. And when we see a success there, I shall refresh the front end. Okay, great. Now let's hope that this works. There we are, the bell's gone. That's my video done. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please give me a like on YouTube. Otherwise, I hope to catch you on another one of my videos quite soon. Bye-bye.